Hey, what is up, fellow CrossFit gym owners? Michael Mathis here, owner of CrossFit M2 in the beautiful Findlay, Ohio. And I want to share a concept with you guys. It's nothing fancy. Clean your gyms, all right? My wife and I, we travel all the time. We live in Miami Beach. My gym is in Ohio, and we travel a lot. We go to different states all the time. And when we're there, we always try and drop in and check out different gyms. And I think it is a very bad thing for our industry that our industry is known for having dirty gyms and dirty facilities. This is not okay, and I encourage us all to kind of take our clean a little bit more seriously, because when the perception is that CrossFit gyms are dirty, it's an instant turnoff for people. And people who are probably would end up being very long-term clients. Like, not even that they understand your training philosophy and the fact that you can get them amazing fitness results, like they're instantly like, oh, I don't want to work out in a dirty gym, doing burpees on this floor, and now my shirt is black. All right, that's not cool. And we're competing against these corporate bootcamp style gyms like Barry's Bootcamp and Orange Theory Fitness and Fit Body Bootcamp. And these companies and organizations have structures in place that their gyms are extremely, extremely clean. They're extremely tidy, sanitization codes. I mean, they have a lot of things going on. So if we can all take ours clean a little bit more seriously, I think we're gonna be better off. I have some awesome cleaning spreadsheets and systems that I wanna share with you. And I think it's important that even as managers and CrossFit gym owners that if we're not able to take our cleaning seriously, how are we gonna be able to take things like the bookkeeping seriously? Or how are we gonna be able to take things like a new hire checklist seriously? Or managing somebody else to make sure the system is followed when a new member signs up, that all of these points are being hit and that they're having the same experience. Now, it's gonna be very, very hard to do that. And I think if you can't figure out the cleaning systemization and you can't hold somebody accountable as a manager to following the cleaning to your level and your expectations, then it's gonna be very hard to do that with other areas of your business. So cleanliness is kind of the foundation of what a good manager does. A good manager has systems, a good manager is clear, a good manager follows through, a good manager rewards somebody when they do things correctly, and a good manager disciplines somebody, in private when they don't do things correctly. And all of those things come into place with any system in your gym, and clean is just one of them. So I just wanna ask everybody, let's do an awesome job keeping our gyms clean and tidy, and let's change the perception that CrossFit gyms are dirty, because we can get people amazing fitness results. You and I together both, we do this, but let's make it better. All right, cheers guys, all the best, take care.